In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track completed work history. We'll walk through this in a simple, clear way, so you can easily see what's been finished, when it was done, and make better decisions based on that information. Even though the on-screen steps are short, I'll add helpful context so you fully understand what's happening at each stage. To get started, open the page or dashboard where your work items or tasks are listed. This might be a project management tool, a work portal, or a task tracking system. Make sure you're on the main list view where you can see multiple items at once, not inside a single task. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Filter, or a similar filter icon. This is the control that lets you narrow down what you're looking at, so you don't have to scroll through every single task you've ever created. Go ahead and click on that filter option in the upper right. Once you click on Filter, a panel or drop-down menu will appear with several choices. This is where you can tell the system you only want to see completed work. Carefully follow the prompts that show up on your screen. Typically, you'll be asked to choose a status, a date range, or other conditions. When you see a field for status, select the option that represents completed work. This might be labeled completed, done, closed, or something similar. Depending on the tool you're using, if you have the option to set a date range, choose the period you want to review, such as the last week, last month, or a custom range. This can be really helpful if you're preparing a report or reviewing your productivity over a specific time. As you continue to follow the on-screen prompts, confirm or apply your selections. Usually there will be an apply, save, or update button. Click that and your list will refresh to show only the items that match your filter settings. You should now see a clean view of your completed work history. From here, you can scroll through and review what's been done, check dates, and verify that nothing important is missing. If something doesn't look right, you can reopen the filter panel and adjust your choices, such as changing the date range or including additional statuses. That's all there is to it. By clicking the filter on the upper right and carefully following the prompts, you can quickly track and review your completed work history whenever you need it.